So what are the top 5 signs that you need better software? Now there's a lot of things that go into this and I could probably make a list of 20, but let's start with the top 5. Number 1 that I see is running your business by Excel or Google Sheets. The software isn't tracking things the way they want, they're not getting the reporting they want, so they just start putting in these sheets here and there and everywhere to get all of those extra data that they need. That's a sign that your software is actually not working for you that well. And as you introduce Excel and Google Sheets, really you can often be introducing errors as we get problems with double entry, we get things that aren't being translated correctly, and something can get lost. So we can often add custom reports to an existing system if there's an API, or maybe we just need to look at a different solution entirely. The second one is bottlenecks. Do you have a process that can only go through one person in your company? Is Mary in accounting the only one that knows how to process a return? Is Bob the only one that can do a certain kind of estimate? That can really be a problem, and again, it's a sign that the software is too hard to use, that it's not supporting your team. The third one is double checking or auditing. I had a client that had to spend 30 minutes every day checking all of the phone calls that came into their front desk because they knew they weren't getting entered into their billing system. That's a problem. We want to make sure that everything's going through. Now there's always a time to audit and double check. I'm not saying that will never happen, but if you're doing it daily or weekly because you know that the shopping cart's not connecting to your system or stuff's getting missed between order and shipping, we really need to talk about that and make sure that we have controls in there that you don't have to constantly double check, that data is flowing more smoothly. The fourth is repeating processes. If you're spending 10 minutes a day running the same process, that can add up to over 2 weeks a year. If I have to keep double checking something, or every time I pull up a customer, I gotta go pull up this website and look something up again, and then I gotta go double check that Excel sheet that we're tracking it in. If something's repetitive and you're constantly doing it, computers are way better at repetition than we are, and that's a sign we might need better software. And the fifth one is that your software is not across your business, that you have holes. Maybe the license fees are expensive, so your drivers don't have access to the software. You have to print them out a report, or the front desk people don't have access to the CRM, so they can't actually pull somebody up when they call in. Or your sales team doesn't have access to the warranty info to know when things are happening. Or you have your finance people logging in using the same credentials, so you can't have 2 people in the accounting system at the same time. If everyone in your business can't be in the same software, it makes it really hard to offer a cohesive customer example. So these are just sort of the top 5. We do have a blog article that goes through more of them. You can check on our website. But if you have any of these problems, let's just start. Give me a call. Let's talk through them and see what options might be available to make your software work better for your business.